I was sitting in the room thinking of something to do. So I was like, what the fool? Bring the dump trailer out here and put these tires on the axle. But as soon as I got that tire off, I looked and I'm like, oh snap. See the difference between the hubs? That hub is shorter. That hub is longer. Those tires wouldn't even fit on a front end of a ride lawnmower because they stick out too far. All because this piece right here is longer than this piece here. So, yeah, I thought about taking those knobby tires and putting on these rims. Then I found another issue. They have inner tubes in them. They're not made to be tubeless. Those rims are pretty much like the rims that are over there, as you can see them. So, oh well, little upgrade video that is, well, not gonna work. So I got to clean that axle off, put some grease in this wheel, and put some grease in this wheel to keep the axles greased. Because otherwise, tires will freeze up on the axles again. So I take a sledgehammer and knock this tire off the axle because it was stuck. Really got to keep them greased if they've got grease fittings. If they don't, you had to pull them off and you had to lather the axle up with some grease. But yeah, well, thought I'd do an upgrade. Find some use for these tires and wheels right here. But oh well, I guess I'll just have to keep them as spares for my Wise 4500. So y'all have a great day and catch y'all later. Thank you.